Welcome to physics, everyone.
You'll remember from last day, Isaac here has promised us a short presentation about forces in motion.
It would seem that I have left my presentation on the bus. Never mind, I'll just wing it.
Go ahead, Isaac.
Right, listen up. Anyway, I got to thinking about why things move, and what is going on with the forces when they do. Take these books on the shelf beside me. They just sit there and never move. Anyway, I started wondering about what was happening with the forces on those books. Clearly gravity pulls down on them with a force that we call weight. But the shelf must also be pushing up on them, counteracting the weight trying to pull them down. When the downward and upward forces are of equal size, they become balanced, and this is why the object stays still.
So what did you conclude then?
Everything that is sitting still has balanced forces acting on it. The overall force is zero. We sometimes say that there is no resultant force, or that the object is in equilibrium. All the things we see sitting still in this room are experiencing the action of balanced forces. If we want them to start moving, we need to put the forces out of balance. It then dawned on me that any change of the motion of an object was caused by the forces going out of balance. This meant that the motion of a moving object could only change if the forces went out of balance. If the forces were balanced, then the object would not speed up, slow down, or change direction. At this point I realized that I had established all the possible cases for what could happen to an object with balanced forces. Namely, it could either just remain at rest, or, if it was moving, the movement must not change in any way. Imagine a hockey puck moving along on perfectly frictionless ice. With no resultant force acting, it would just keep going and going and going until something put the forces out of balance. For example, when, say, it hit something. Similarly, a car with balanced forces would also travel at a constant speed, unable to speed up, slow down, or change direction. Now that we know this, we can state a law of nature. An object will remain at rest, or move in a straight line at a steady speed, unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. This piece of deductive genius is called Newton's first law of motion. It covers any case where the forces on an object are balanced. So Newton's first law is all about balanced forces.